In this video, I'll show you how to remove a background and place it onto a different background. So first thing you need to do is select the image that you want to remove the background from. In my case, it's in Uploads. And I'll select the image. And then I can go Background Remover. And there you go. Canva does a pretty good job of it. So you don't usually need to make any adjustments, but if you do, you just press this button again. And you can go into it and click Restore, or if you want to erase it, you can also do that. As I said, Canva does a pretty good job normally. And then if you want to add another background, you just go back into wherever your photo is. I'll go with this one. Send it to the back. And then in this case, I'm going to go set it as the background. And I'll just resize us a little bit. And it's a completely brand new picture.